You forgot what you're gonna sing?
No, I forgot the name of the song.
Is it the One Moment?
One Moment in Time.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
So give us a bit of One Moment in Time.
I've laid the plans, now lay the chance, here in my hands. I want one moment.
You put that in her hereafter. Are you bored, Jack? Wish you were here.
Oh, honey, there you go.
Me too.
Something you wanted?
Thank you.
Your MP3 player.
You're welcome.
That's a neat little thing, isn't it?
Whatever.
Let me see that. Gosh, that's little. Probably lightning. I knew that's what it was. Look at that.
Isn't that nice?
Man, oh man, look at that.
Mmm. Oh, vanilla.
Oh, that really smells.
Vanilla. It's my favorite. Mmm. Mmm.
You to tell it
I can
twice.
smell from here.
Smell that.
I can smell that from here.
Oh, it's so strong. It's so heavy. Oh. Man, I wouldn't be using that. Very sparingly.
Mmm. Like that kind of
That's
stuff.
very useful.
Nice
Very
little
nice.
basket.
Look at that. I bet you can use some every Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, last year I found that little basket. Something to save forever. Oh, it's something to try to put together.
And from Mum there. Yeah.
I got one too. Same thing, isn't it, honey?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very nice.
Push.
Those you can make these out. Needed those. Thank you, darling. Say, you did show. Oh my God. Oh my God, you shouldn't have did that, Adam. Oh, honey, you shouldn't have did that. No wonder you don't want to pay for the meat.
The what? Pay for what? The meat.
Oh, I can't wait to watch it.
What is it?
All 6 seasons, Sex in the City. My favorite show next to Raymond. Oh my. Thank you, honey. Haven't we got a good boy? Our children are so good. I don't know how we deserve such good children. I don't know. Such caring children.
What?
So full of
I'm gonna save that. Tell Laura thank you for that.
Wonderful.
Are you filming me eat?
Yep.
Don't do that.
Too
We had a
late.
show. This is my cousin eating.
This is eating her cookies.
Now if I had a nice piece slice of pineapple, fresh pineapple.